11 zodiacal constellations: Sagittarius, Capricornus, Aquarius, Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, and back to Scorpius. The sun appears to move in two ways: an east to west motion as it travels across the sky each day, and a west to east motion as it moves against the background stars over 1 year. The path the sun takes through the constellations of the zodiac each year is called the ecliptic.
Didn't know there were other worlds belonging to our solar system. These bright objects look like stars, but move differently than all the others. 5 of the 8 other planets, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Saturn, and Jupiter, are visible with the naked eye, although Mercury is very hard to spot. All of the planets are found close to the ecliptic along the band of the zodiacal constellations. Using the chart in your activity guide, you can see where each of the 4 brightest planets is located for any month of the year.
Welcome back! Before we move on to the night sky, let's talk about the star we see during the day, the sun. All stars are globes of hot, glowing gases that emit light and other kinds of energy. Luckily for us, our star, the sun, is only 93 million miles away. Now that's a big number, but compared to the other stars, the sun isn't very far away at all. Astronomers, scientists who study stars, planets, and other space objects, are used to dealing with much greater distances. Distance is so large that they use a special measurement unit called a light year.
A light year is the distance a light ray travels in 1 year, about 6 trillion miles. That's a 6 with 12 zeros behind it. Now that's a big number.
After the sun, the next closest star to us, Proxima Centauri, is about 4.2 light years away. Most stars in the vicinity of the sun are about 7 light years away from each other. How does the sun measure up to its stellar neighbors when it comes to size? When astronomers began to study other stars, they discovered that our star is just, well, average. Not particularly big or small as stars go, just average, which tends to surprise people. After all, the sun seems so large and bright, and it is, to us. It's the sun's closeness to the Earth that makes it appear larger and shines so much more brilliantly than the other stars.
During the day, the sun lights up the sky, but the other stars are out there. They haven't gone anywhere. We just can't see them because the brightness of our star gets in the way. Once the sky darkens after sunset, we can see other stars. At first, just the brightest ones. Then slowly, the fainter ones appear.
Gaze up at the night sky, it's hard not to ask the question, is there anyone out there? The answer is, we simply don't know. How many worlds like ours would there be if just one star in a million had an Earth-like planet orbiting it? If this were the case, then the Milky Way galaxy, with over 300 billion stars, could have several 100,000 planets that might support life. And that's just one galaxy out of billions and billions of galaxies in the universe. So chances are Earth is not the only place in the universe where life exists.
Telescopes and certain stars, believing that if there's intelligent life out there, these alien civilizations might be using radio waves. Radio waves we could hear. Has anything been found? No, but the search continues.
Where else can we look? How about in our own solar system? One of Jupiter's large moons, Europa, may have liquid water oceans below its thick shell of ice. And where there's water, there could be life. Closer still is Mars, where evidence of water in its polar ice caps has been detected. song for the best year. We've built on centuries of our ancestors' ideas and theories. Today, astronomers use large, complex telescopes to reveal the secrets of the cosmos. The Hubble Space Telescope, in orbit around the Earth, is giving us incredible views of the universe, and the International Space Station is just one more step on our way to exploring the planets and stars firsthand.
But anyone who looks up at the night sky is an explorer. Like our ancestors who first used the sky as a calendar, you don't need fancy instruments or machines to discover stars and constellations. When you want to explore the world of astronomy even more, a simple pair of binoculars or a small telescope can open other doors for you.
Exploration and discovery. They're waiting for you. We hope you'll take what you learned from your planetarium and enjoy the stars.